Purge. Let's go. Y'all come battle, y'all can. They say a nigga lost his marbles, say a nigga went insane. Fluid operate on niggas, amputate your fucking brain. In the running for a minute, time I make them proud. Bring new issues to me, you can bet that I'ma take them down. Boss status, bitch, I run my city like I've been a king. Hail to your highness, not the pope, but come and kiss the ring. I been on my ape shit, don't make me go bananas. Versus with the soul about you, leave you buried in Havana. Competition spitting bars, but they land so out of whack. Whether turn up with a bitch before they speak upon the facts. Had these blacks getting murdered, yeah, these whites they getting off. Had these niggas claim they gangster, but you know they really soft. Why the taxes going up and these bodies steady dropping? Why they never check the cops when they be getting out of pocket? Who gon' help us save the world when the government be lying? Who gon' bring us to the promised land when niggas so defined? Tell the people turn to me, give them that lyrical knowledge. The lecture's not a teacher, but I got them hooked on phonics. Guarantee a nigga preaching when you teach the service at. I've been breaking up the game, call it playing them in craps. Now they wouldn't let me in, so I kicked this at the door. Made them see what I was worth and told them bitches pay me more. Shut the corner, call me Reeves, Wilson Peterson to lead. Hit them with a punchline, promise I make it hard to breathe. On my King Elwood's foolishness, bitch watch how I'ma reign. I'm the rebel adequate, won't show no mercy to you lanes. Pulverize on my opponents, no acknowledgement of error. Matter of fact, I plan to saturate you niggas with that terror. I'm so high up on the throne, even Zeus can overthrow me. Had a thing to eating pussy, but Venus just came to blow me. Real talk, you motherfuckers, serve me like the king I am. No, I ain't Dr. Seuss, but I do love grenades and ham. On my mission, look, gotta show 'em what I really bout. Tryna throw a wrench up in my plan, that's time I really doubt. Verify your presence when you fucking around with royalty. Don't fuck with them niggas if they like respect and loyalty. Take away the rep, the character, love in my heart. You give the vicious, deranged nigga who will turn your war dork. Come KG, I'ma bring that drama where a nigga stay. Cause no matter who you with, my niggas known for going crazy. Say I overstep my boundaries, this be my domain. Feet contenders, leave them beaten. Get the ass like I'm Luke Kane. Now nigga, I ain't lying, but I take care of the spread. Cause the bars like bullets, put a couple in your head. I ain't hit like Cash the Wayne, even Reagan, fuck you mean. Yeah, I gotta bring the havoc every time I hit the scene. Hate to talk that nonsense, better go get up a visa. Just come to your demise, tell them all hail Caesar, bitch.